I think we also shared that we were going to share like what are our exact prompts that we use. So very simple and easy to use. Once I already enriched with the person's job title, we just get like, are they in a sales, marketing, or growth related role, or do they need to prospect for any person, any people that need to find, founders or strategic people? Just answer yes or no. And then I run a filter on this, and then I also get their start date, and then I run an enrichment to see. This is actually just using our formula feature, so it's not even using ChatGPT. You just say, is this person a recent hire, and does that equal to within this year? And then I also check for job openings, and this is with in partnership with some of our data providers. You can get this information. And then here is, it's a little long, but I've seen with GPT prompting as well, the more detailed you are, I think just like with content creation, like the more detailed you are and the more the more effective it is. If it's too generalized, it will not be able to understand too well. So I gave information about my company, and then I also say like, hey, I'm going to be adding this into a cold email, write 3 ways that we can help them, give it in a bullet point format. Here's all the company details. And then we see that we're able to get like our personalized ideas for this company using the prompts as well. And then as afterwards, I was just sharing quick, you can quickly choose which campaign to add for smart leads. We also have the growth machine as well. So either or both, I would recommend is definitely doing that like multi-channel outreach.